Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the equation of an exponential function given a graph. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. In this question, we're to determine the equation of the following graph in the form y equals a times b to the power of x plus q. When you have an exponential function, and we have it in the form of y equals a times b to the power of x plus q, the value of q will determine your vertical shape, upward or downwards. Also, the value of q is your horizontal asymptote. An asymptote is a straight line that constantly approaches a given curve but does not meet at any infinite distance. So if I go back to my diagram, I can see my horizontal asymptote as shown and is crossing the y-axis at -1/3. So if I rewrite my equation, replacing my q, I have my horizontal asymptote equals -1/3. So my new equation becomes y equals a times b to the power of x minus 1/3. The next step is to find the value of a and b. If you go back to the diagram and look at the graph given, you can see that the exponential function passes through the origin, and at origin the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0. So what I'm going to do is to substitute this value into our equation. What I'm going to have is y. I have y equals a times b to the power of x minus 1/3. So substituting for my y and x, I have at origin, I have the coordinates 0, 0. So therefore, my y is 0 equals a times b to the power of, my x is also 0, minus 1/3. If I simplify, I have 0 equals a times any number of variable raised to the power of 0 is 1. So that's a times 1 minus 1/3. I have 0 equals a minus 1/3. And if I add 1/3 to both sides, I'm going to have a equals positive 1/3. So therefore, my equation becomes y equals, I have the value of a as 1/3 times, I don't know the value of b yet, to the power of x minus 1/3. The next step is to find the value of b. Going back to my diagram, I have another point on the graph, and that is point 2, 1. That's the coordinate. So I'm going to substitute the point 2, 1 into my equation. That means the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 2. So what I have is y is 1, 1 equals 1/3 times b to the power of x, x is 2, minus 1/3. I'm going to simplify by finding b, starting by moving my -1/3 to the left hand side. It becomes positive, so I have 1 plus 1/3 equals 1/3 times b to the power of 2. If I simplify my left hand side, I have 1 plus 1/3. 1 plus 1/3, that's 4/3, equals 1/3 times b to the power of 2. The next step, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So I have times 3, I have times 3, and what I have is 3 and 3, 1, 3 and 3, 1. Then I have on my left hand side 4 equals, then I have b squared. To find the value of b, I'm going to find the square root of both sides. So I have, therefore, my b equals plus or minus 4. I'm going to correct that. The square root of 4 is 2, so it's 2, not 4. So that's plus or minus 2. Then I have my b cannot be equal to negative 2, so therefore the value of my b equals to positive 2. So if I rewrite my equation now, what I have is y equals, we know the value of a, that's 1 over 3, times b is 2, so the power of x minus my asymptote, that's q, 1 over 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.